your sunglasses?
What do you mean? I left him inside.
Terribly.
I'm sorry. I left him inside. Hi.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good. What's up?
Fine. Good. What?
What are you doing?
My contacts have been bugging me.
Well, you have to get out of the sun.
I know.
Number one, with your because you're getting
I
all
know.
kinds of wrinkles and lines.
Sorry.
Are you kidding me? Oh my God! Seriously? Where's Daddy?
Inside.
Well, go get him!
She didn't notice for the longest time. She's just sitting there talking to me. Oh well.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Well, you knew her, yeah.
It was the weirdest thing. I took the door open.
And you didn't notice it?
No. Oh my God.
The only thing is, the windows can't be opened for a couple days because they did the tinted the windows. I had him do that because you know me and.
Oh my God, gorgeous.
How do you feel?
Fabulous. Oh my God, and the bow. Oh, take a picture quick.
But it's on video.